What's up everyone, it's Natalie here, and today I am filming a lookbook video for you guys. It is very exciting because I am partnering with Pink on this video, and for those of you guys who don't know, I've worked with them before in other videos, but I always just get so excited because I have been wearing pink since middle school. Like, they've kind of followed me with all of my bad trends in middle school to now actually like transitioning into like going through puberty with us. I feel like that's what happened. I've been wearing pink for such a long time, either their workout clothes, their sweatshirts, their sweatpants, anything like that at all. So I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. I am showing you guys how to take really comfy casual clothes and make them a little cuter, make it look like you tried a little more. These take no effort to put together and they're so easy. Some of these might be like transitioning from the gym to actually running errands, so instead of coming back home to change, it still makes you look a little bit more put together. And then others of these are just actual outfits that are just really cozy and casual, and you can wear them walking to class, or you can wear them on the weekends or after work or anything like that, but they're just really comfy and you feel like you're wearing PJs, but really you look a lot more put together. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys are new here, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's just get into it. This outfit is probably my favorite and something that I will be wearing quite a bit. This letter shirt or monogrammed shirt from Pink, it's part of their collegiate wear, and I really love the monogrammed P on it. It reminds me of a varsity jacket or like an 80s style jacket, and I don't know, I really like it. I got a size medium in this knitted sweater and I am obsessed. I love it. It is so soft. I would pair this oversized knit with a pair of jeans. Some ripped jeans, I feel like it would look really nice. You can also tuck it in a little bit. This will just add a little bit more of like cinching at the waist to make it look a little more feminine. But I think this is so cute. My earring just fell out of my ear. That's a moment. And on top of this outfit, you can definitely wear a fuzzy sweater. This is going to keep you more warm, and it's going to add a little bit more style to your outfit. You're going to feel so cozy and nice and chic, and I don't know, I just think that this is so cute. You would never think that this is just like a knitted sweater from Pink. I am obsessed with this outfit, and I definitely will be wearing this a lot. This outfit is starting off with a sports bra and some joggers from Pink, and normally I would not wear anything like this out in public. I feel like it's might be a little risque, I guess. If you throw on a denim jacket with this outfit though, it looks so much cooler, and I feel like you look a lot more stylish and edgy and just like, I don't know, gives me like cool girl vibes with a cropped denim jacket, and of course some sneakers that you can wear with it. I feel like if you wear a cropped denim jacket over a sports bra and like these higher up joggers, then you can wear this to the gym, you can wear this to dance, but you can also transition it to like grocery shopping or running errands or something like that, something casual. So I feel like any denim jacket over this look makes you just look so much cooler and way more stylish. This is definitely something I have been doing whenever I go to the gym and I'm either wearing joggers or sweats or leggings. I literally just throw on a denim jacket and then I can go about my day. This outfit is definitely something that I would wear on any errand run when it's like really nice outside, or on a walk, or doing maybe something a little more active, or if I'm just trying to look kind of cool but very lazy and don't want to plan my outfit. I have been really into the biker short trend, which I love that Pink has some of them now. I would throw on a pair of biker shorts. These are black. They also make your butt look a little nicer. And And also a big sweatshirt. This is also from Pink, and it's just a plain black look. It is the most comfortable thing that you can wear. It is so comfy, and it seriously feels like you're wearing pajamas, but you're still on trend with like the biker shorts. I would just pair this with some sneakers. Again, you can wear them with Air Maxes, you can wear them with normal sneakers, but this is just so cute. And if you wear like little hoop earrings or something like that to dress it up a little and to make it look like you tried a little bit more, I feel like it really dresses up the outfit. You could also wear like a cute little mini backpack to accessorize if you want. I feel like this one is really cute and adds, again, makes it look a little more edgy, but still you're super comfortable. You can even dress it up even more. This might look silly with like a nice bag, but I don't know, I feel like it kind of looks like trendy soccer mom, like a Kim K mom version. You can definitely dress it up with accessories. Again, I like wearing it with hoops. I would probably wear it with a backpack, but wearing like a designer bag or like a nicer structured bag like this one, I feel like it makes you look a little more like Kardashian moms. Something that I always wear to the gym is just leggings and a sports bra. And a lot of times after the gym, I am one of those people that likes to run errands. So like I said, I go to the grocery store, I'll go like get something at the mall, I'll go grab a bite to eat. So I don't ever want to just go like this to do all that stuff. And honestly, I kind of like dressing up, looking a little cuter, looking a little more New York. Like I feel like when I see people in New York going to the gym, like the glamour, like when people glamorize New York, they're like rocking leather jackets. I was a member of Equinox this summer in LA, and I mean, people showed up to the gym looking so good. So you throw on a leather jacket. Instantly, it makes your look so much more edgy. It looks like you're put together. You literally just throw on a jacket, you keep your sports bra underneath, you keep your leggings on, you throw on a bag, and you seriously look like you are ready to do whatever. Like it looks like a stylish outfit. This is definitely something that I have been doing. I like doing it with leather jackets. I like doing it with denim jackets. Sometimes I'll throw on a big teddy coat, anything over my leggings and sports bra, and you just look so much cooler. I love how this is like all black and gray, so the leather just makes it look way cooler. Throw your hair up in a ponytail, put some dry shampoo in it, whatever you want, but you are ready to go. This is how people would dress at Equinox in Hollywood, you guys. So I have been obsessed with throwing on jackets on top of sports clothes and like workout gear. It's definitely something that I do a lot just because we don't have enough hours in the day to go back home and change. So this is a good way to stay comfy and stay in your workout clothes, but still not look like a total bum. And this next outfit I am obsessed with. I feel like this is like a trendy Mrs. Claus, except we're not wearing red. But this robe just like reminds me of the North Pole. This is a robe slash jacket slash sweater that you can actually wear outside. It's not technically a robe, but I like to call it that because it's so soft. It's one of those soft little sweaters that are nice on the inside and the outside. I love how they're dual toned, like it's like white on the inside, purple on the outside. And even though this is a super casual cardigan or sweater or whatever you guys want to call it, I feel like you can dress it up more and make yourself not look like you just rolled out of bed and put this on over your PJs. By wearing like a chunky knit, some girlfriend jeans, boyfriend jeans, something a little bit more casual but still denim and not just like leggings or sweatpants or something, because I feel like if you wore leggings with this, it really would look like you just rolled out of bed and threw on a robe. Because you're wearing it with jeans and like a chunky knit sweater or something a little bit more like fancy, I guess, or like cute, then it makes that whole outfit just look cozy chic. If you're walking to class in this, or if you're just like doing errands in this, when it's cold out, you are literally wearing a blanket. Like this is the nicest thing to own. I highly recommend every single one of you to purchase this because it is the softest thing I own in my closet, and it literally feels like I am wearing a blanket, except this is perfectly fine to wear outside. I am obsessed with this. I think this is one of the easiest ways to look cozy or to feel cozy and to feel comfortable and still look cute. guys so much for watching. I really hoped that you guys liked it, and if you guys want to shop all of my items, I'm going to have them linked down below. Be sure to check out Pink for all of your fashion items and comfy items, because I really feel like they have so many more like cute fashionable things. Like the sweater, for example, they don't just have like workout clothes and stuff like that, so be sure to shop it down below. And if you guys recreate any of these looks, tweet me or DM me on Instagram. Actually, DM me on Instagram. I don't really use Twitter, so yeah, DM me on Instagram. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.